Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to download and install VLC media player in your Windows 11 laptop. So if you don't have that, open any web browser. Now here search VLC. Click on this first official link VLC. Search here VLC. Press enter. Open this official link VLC for Windows. Now search this site vlc.onl. You will see all information here. Click on VLC Media Player. Select your system version 64 or 32-bit. Save it. Now double click on this setup file. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Next, and install it. Then click on finish. So this is the way you can download and install VLC Media Player in your Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching.